Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to explain about pre-action sprinkler system. Okay. Actually, I got some comments from our viewer to make the video about the pre-action sprinkler system. So I'm going to explain, okay, in an easy way. See, all the sprinkler system, okay, whether it is a wet system, okay, wet system or dry sprinkler system or pre-action sprinklers, okay, sprinkler system, it means pass pre-action sprinkler system, in short we say pass. Okay, so all the sprinkler system basic is same. Okay, the calculation is same, sizing of the pipe is same. Okay, no difference. Okay, for sizing the pipe and the pressure we use the hydraulic calculation, right? So similarly the pre-action sprinkler system is the same. Okay, so don't be confused about that about this system. Okay, see, the difference is configuration. Okay, it means the wet sprinkler system and dry sprinkler system and the pre-action sprinkler system, only the configuration is the different. Okay, see, the pre-action and the dry sprinkler system is almost same. Okay, see, it will be clear here. See, automatic pre-action sprinkler system. Okay, you can pause the video and read all these things. Okay, we use the pre-action sprinkler system where the catastrophic, okay, accidental discharge of water would be catastrophic, right? Like computer, servers, lift machine rooms, telecommunication equipment, and high voltage electrical components. Okay, so we can use also the inert gases or clean agent system like NOx system, FM200 system, okay, or IG inert gas system or CO2 system. But why we use the pre-action sprinkler system? See, the gases, it means this clean agent gases is for a small areas, okay, and costly, and for the small areas, okay, but where the area is big, okay, so we cannot use the clean agent system, and also the handling of the clean agent system is a little bit complicated, okay, and also the costly compared to this automatic sprinkler system. Okay, so we use the pre-action system, okay, especially we use the pre-action sprinkler system in the detention camp, okay, prisoner camp, because in that area, so we know that if we use the wet type of sprinkler system or dry type, so the prisoner will accidentally break the glass of the sprinkler, okay, and when they will break the glass, then water will be automatically come, and that area would be catastrophic for the users. Okay, so the scenario will be different. Okay, alarm will go to the panel, and everybody will try to know that what's happened, right? So for this all scenario, avoiding this scenario, we use the pre-action sprinkler system. I hope that you got the point. Okay. So the pre-action sprinkler system is two types. Now come here, okay. Here, the pre-action sprinkler system is two types. One is single interlock, okay. Other one is double interlock, okay. Single interlock, it means the water will enter in the pipe, only the detection device will activate. See here, okay. And double interlock system, it means the both detection device and automatic sprinkler both will activate, then water will enter in the pipe, right? So it's clear that in pre-action sprinkler system, the automatic and closed type sprinkler head we have to use, right? See, other one here, don't be worried, it will be clear, okay. Single interlock system and double interlock system, two types in interlock system, okay. You will remember, okay. And component everyone knows same as the other system, like fire pump, fire water, and fittings, and a pre-action valve, okay. In deluge system we use deluge valve, okay. Wet system we use alarm check valve, and dry sprinkler system we use dry valves, okay. It comes all the assemblies, along with all the assemblies, okay. And pre-action sprinkler system we use pre-action valves, okay. And everything is similar to the other system, right? But the difference is we use the nitrogen or air supply, compressed air supply or pressurized air supply in the pipes, okay. And as here the fire pump capacity is same, 1 EDJ, electric diesel, and jockey pump, okay. The connection pipe from the air supply to the dry valve, okay, that pipe connection should be not less than 15 mm diameter, right? So I show you one same, you have seen this video I think, but I will explain everything in this video, right? See, this is the detection system, right? Okay, heat detector, or a smoke detector or flame detector, whatever the detector, but this is the detector, okay. It seems here, it seems that it is the heat detector, okay. So we can use anything, flame detector or a heat detector, okay, or a smoke detector, but normally we don't use a smoke detector because it comes with false alarm. So we use heat detector in that area, right? So see here we use heat detector, and this is the sprinkler, okay. This is the automatic type sprinkler, close head sprinkler, upright, okay. Here, okay. So see the connection here, 15 connection pipe from the air supply to the dry pipe should be 15 not less than 15 mm. It means this connection, we are talking about this connection, right? I show you. See, this connection is connected in the dry pipe. This all pipe is dry, okay, and air or nitrogen is pressurized in this pipe, okay. Only water is below this pre-action valve here, okay. Only water is filled up to here below these valves, okay. And above this valve, this pressurized nitrogen or air is and filled with all this pipe, right? All this pipe. Okay. So this connection, this dry pipe and the compressed pipe, this dia should not be less than 15 mm. Remember, because we are designing. Okay, that's why I'm showing all these diameters. Okay, 15 mm, right? It's clear. And also the air supply piping shall not be long 1.9 mmc. Supply line at least 1.9 meter long, okay, and at least 25.4 mm in diameter. It means from the compressed, okay, compressed whatever the compressor or from the system, this line should be not too much closed, okay, should be at least 1.9 meter long, right? And this supply line is diameter is, it means 1 inch. This line is 1 inch supply line from the compressor, okay. From the compressor the line should be at least 1 inch, okay. But the connection line to the dry pipe, this connection should be not less than half inch, okay. It means it could be 1 inch but not less than half inch. The connection, dry pipe and the supply line, the connection, okay, but the supply line should be not less than 1 inch, okay. I'm clear, I hope. If not clear, then comment below and I will explain again, right? See, it's clear. The supply line should be not less than 1 inch and the connection line should be not less than half inch, right? And the line from the system to the connection should be at least 1.9 meter long, okay. If it is long, then okay, good. More than 1.9 meter long, then good, but at least 1.9 meter long, okay. And all the pressure gauge, everything we use, okay. See, this pre-action system we can use 1000 sprinkler, okay, not more than 1000 sprinkler system, okay. So it's clear that the system, the pre-action system is for the large area, okay, not a small areas. And see, this system, pre-action system, we use gridded system, right? What is gridded system? We know the piping arrangement of the sprinkler is 3 types, okay. 3 types. One is tree arrangement, right? Other one is grid arrangement, okay. And third one is the loop arrangement, okay. So we cannot use grid arrangement, okay. The spelling is mistake, but you know, grid, we cannot use grid system, okay. what is the grid arrangement? See, I show you. This is the cross main, this is the main pipe, okay, and between these the sprinkler we use, right, and this connected to the pump, right, to the pump. So here we use the sprinkler, okay, here sprinkler we can use. So this arrangement we cannot arrange for the pre-action sprinkler system. So better we can arrange the tree arrangement of the piping, right? Clear? And here, see, I explain you that the above the pre-action sprinkler, pre-action valve, the all pipe is pressurized with the air or nitrogen, right? So the nitrogen or air pressurized, what is the minimum pressure, okay, pressurized in the systems? So here, see, at least 7 psi, okay, here the minimum supervising air or nitrogen pressure should be 7 psi, okay. If it will be less than 7 psi, then we use the low pressure switch, okay, and more pressure, okay, more pressure, what it means, the rated pressure which company provides, okay, for the compressed air. So more than pressure we can use the high pressure switch, okay, and both switch is connected to the panels. Here is the fire alarm control panel, and we connect to the panel and make the programming, okay. If the air is somewhere the sprinkler will accidentally break, then the pressurized air will be released, okay, and when it will be less than 7 psi, then the low pressure switch will send the notification to the fire alarm control panel, and fire alarm control panel will activate the bell or bell or a sounder flasher, whatever, okay, and it will notify, okay, to the employee that somewhere pressure is less due to the thing happen in the system, right? So now it's clear, the pressurized air should be 7 psi, right? And we use, suppose here we make the more pressure, okay, and also the pressure is coming from the compressor or whatever, or nitrogen cylinder, okay. So more pressure, if something will be more pressure, then we use the from this dry pipe and the supply air line. Between this we use one what bulb? Relief bulb, okay, and that relief bulb we set to the 10 psi or more than 10 psi, but safer side is 10 psi, okay. Our system is pressurized up to 7 psi, okay, and we use the relief bulb and set the 10 psi, okay. When pressure will be exceed, okay, gradually, and it will reach the 10 psi, then our relief valve will be open and the excess pressure will be released from the our relief valve, okay, and our system will be maintained up to the 7 psi, okay. If relief valve we will not use, then we know what is the consequences, right? It will be more pressure, and our this band and joint will be started to open, okay, and could be break. So the supply air line and the dry pipe, between that we use one relief valve, and that relief valve is set 10 psi, okay, and our system pressure is we set 7 psi, right? I hope it's clear. This is the system, right? Now the we know the how to design. Okay, we cannot use grid system, and the supply line should be not less than 1 inch, and the connection line should not be half inch, right? And this is the two system, one single pre-action system, and other one is double interlock pre-action system, right? Now what is single interlock system? Okay, this single interlock system. See, single interlock system, it means here is the two system, one is a sprinkler, other one is a detection system. Okay, so single interlock action, it means we use only the single system. Okay, this valve, okay, could be electric actuator or pneumatic. Okay, so our water is up to here, right? So we use in single interlock system, we make this detection system, make the programming to open this valve. Okay, pre-action valve. Okay, suppose accidentally, I show you now. Start the video. See, accidentally our sprinkler break. Okay, now this white our nitrogen or pressurized air is releasing. Okay, releasing, and the low pressure switch indicate to the panel that our pressure is very low. Okay, the system pressure is low, but in that time the detection system, the heat detection system, heat detector which I showed, so okay, that is not activated, right? See, the heat detector system is not activated. Okay, that's why the water is not releasing, right? Water is not releasing. So that notification sent to the control panel, and control panel sent to the notification appliances devices like a sounder, flasher or bell, and that employee comes and change the valves, okay, of the sprinkler. Okay, so it means one action happen, sprinkler breaks, but still water is not coming. Why? Because our valve is only activate when the heat detector will activate. Okay, when heat detector will activate, then valve will be open, but still water will not enter because our line is pressurized fully with the air system, right? So this is the when our valve is open, when the our detection system, heat detection system is activating. Okay, it means only one action happen and our valve is opening. So this is the single interlock system. Okay, now see, the real fire will happen here. Okay, and when the this detector will activate, then valve will be open. Okay, see, normally this detector temperature is 57 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the normally the sprinkler temperature is 68 degrees Celsius. Okay, so when fire will happen, then firstly which device will sense? It's quite clear that the detector will sense first. Okay, because this temperature is low. Okay, so this detector will activate firstly, and the detector will send the notification to the panel and to the valve, and valve will be open. Okay, when valve will be open, then in this time, during this time, the sprinkler will also sense, because the temperature is only 10-11 degrees Celsius difference, right? So when this sprinkler will sense then the valve, this valve will sense the heat and it will break during this time. Okay, here the detector is already open the valve, and the fire here is sense this valve, okay, and break the valve. Okay, so the pressurized air is already released, okay, and the detector is already open, so water will enter in the system and come out and pour the water, right? See, firstly the detector activate, then the during this time temperature is increasing, right? So due to that temperature, it will, if it will uh, reach up to 68 degree, then this filament, this ball will break. Okay, the detector already open the valves, okay, and the fire gradually increase and the break the glass and the pressurized air is released. Now water will, okay. So this is the single interlock system, right? Similarly, the double interlock system, it means any one device. It means, see, the detector here, detector activate and open the valve. Okay, this, that's why it's called single interlock. But in double interlock, if this detector will activate, then still the valve will not open. Okay, and water will not enter in the pipe. If a sprinkler break accidentally, then still valve will be closed, right? If both will activate, okay, both will activate, the detector will activate and send the notification to the panel, okay, and after some time or same time, if the sprinkler will break, okay, then the pressurized air will release and this will send the signal to the panel that low pressure, okay, low pressure signal will send to the panel, then the panel will send to the actuator, okay, or a solenoidal valve, and that time the valve will be open. Okay, it means both will activate and send the notification to the panel, and panel will activate the valves. Okay, here only the device is activating and send to the panel, and panel is open the valve, right? That's why it's called single interlock. But in double interlock, it means more security. Okay, it both will activate, then panel will open the valves. Okay, only this is the difference, only the programming difference. Okay, and arrangement, everything is okay. If, but the valve, pre-action valve, if we are designing and going to order the valve, then we have to mention that we need pre-action valve for double interlock system. Okay, and for single interlock, so we have to mention the single interlock system. I hope that it's clear now. Okay, if something you don't uh, understand and or get it out, then you can comment below and I will explain, and I will try to explain, okay, or describe. I hope it's clear. Okay, and about the occupancy and all the more videos in my channel already in my playlist. So if you are interested in the designing, then go in my playlist and check it out. Okay, I hope it's clear. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.